how to set or fix Facebook join date. In this video guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end because in this video I will give you the easiest way. So first you need to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option, you have to search now for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this, scroll down and click on storage. Here on storage, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back it. Click now on force stop and click also OK. And what you should do right now, you have to go and turn on your airplane mode and disallow it, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.